This topic is most useful topic in Verilog because you will use it many times in your test bench as well as in your code. So let's start. So parameter, as you can see, a parameter is like you can just assume for now at the start of video as a constant. So a parameter in a Verilog is a compile time constant, means some value or any value you can give with help of some word like width or length or anything, any parameter you can understand, pi, theta, anything, some variable we are assuming and giving it value in our code. So used to make a hardware models configurable and reusable. So why we are making this word there? Because we can change that value of that word, means value of that parameter anytime. Therefore it is parameter, no? We can change it. Now it is not runtime variable. As you can see, this is during compile time, because your hardware will be created in compile time and we will run that in your simulation. That is the runtime. So parameter should be defined previously. For example, if you have created some memory, let's assume it is a memory. So in compile time we don't know what is the width and what is the our depth of this memory. Okay, but for now let's say 3 or 3 is the width and length. Okay, width and depth, whatever you can say. So this thing and this thing, we will give this value like 5, 3 and 3 in our compile time with the help of parameter, and this parameter can be theta or alpha, any way you can, L, W, whatever you want. Now this parameter we will write in code and give this value 3, and this thing will happen in compile time. And this thing when happens in compile time, your memory will be created, and in runtime we will use this memory. Simple. Now it value is fixed when the module is elaborated before simulation. So before simulation only we will give this value 3, and how we will give value and what we will do, we will see in our next slide. Or
hit subscribe, like, and comment now. Let's begin the journey of verification.
So now another question, why do we use parameter? So these are all the things why we use our parameter. Because reusability, as we can say, a memory is there, you have created in previous slide, that same memory is 3 by 3, but now your code changes and you want 6 by 6. So you can change the theta and alpha parameter. Okay, therefore we take theta and alpha. We can directly give 3 3, but we want to change the theta alpha to 6 by 6 memory. Okay, this is 3 by 3 memory, or this is 6 by 6 memory. Okay, so you can reuse that same parameter and you don't have to change the whole code. Configurable, customize hardware without modifying the code. Similar thing, if this is memory as a hardware, you can customize it to 6 by 6 in your code. Easy upgrading, change size in one line. Any parameter, whatever you have declared in array, in queue, you can change it afterwards. And RTL flexibility, because we are in software, so we need flexibility